Standard 6th, Subject Maths, Chapter 16, Quadrilaterals, Practice Set 37. Dear students, let's revise quadrilaterals. Take 4 points A, B, C, D on a paper as shown in the figure alongside, such that any three of them will be non-collinear. Non-collinear means not in a straight line. These points are to be joined to make a closed figure, but in such a way that when any two points are joined by the other two must lie on the same side of that line. So that means when you join A, you have to go to B, then C, then D, and back to A. The figure obtained by following the given rule is called a quadrilateral. So a quadrilateral is a closed figure having four sides. Now let us learn about polygons. Let's learn. You must have seen the five petal flowers of Tagar, Kunda or Sadafuri. Draw a picture of one of those flowers. You can see one example here. Join the tips of the petals one by one. So as shown in this figure, you can draw the flower and join the tips of the petals. What is the figure you get? The closed figure obtained in this way by joining the 5 points by 5 line segments is called a pentagon. So pentagon is a closed figure having 5 sides. So what are polygons then? Polygons are all the closed figures including a triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon and the closed figures having more than 5 sides. So, write the names of the vertices of the pentagon. Some questions are asked here. Let's answer them. The vertices will be vertex A, B, C, vertex D, and vertex E. Name the sides of the pentagon. Sides will be side AB, side BC, side CD, side DE, and side EA. Name the angles of the pentagon. Angle ABC, angle BCD, angle CDE, angle DEA, and angle EAB. See if you can sometimes find players on a field forming a pentagon. Yes, the girls who are standing on the field here have formed a pentagon by their positions. So let's have a look at the answers once again. The vertices of the pentagon are points A, point B, point C, point D, and point E. The sides of the pentagon are segment AB, segment BC, segment CD, segment DE, and segment EA. The angles of the pentagon are angle ABC, then we have angle BCD, then angle CDE, then angle DEA, and angle EAB. The players shown in the above figure form a pentagon. So, this way we have learned about a closed figure having 5 sides. So, what are polygons altogether? Triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, and other closed figures with more than 5 sides are all called polygons. So now based on this, let us solve practice set number 37. Question 1. Observe the figures below and find out their names. In the first figure, count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we just now learned a closed figure having 5 sides is called a pentagon. So we will write it down, pentagon, because it has got 5 sides. Let's move on to second question. Let's count the sides from top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. A closed figure having 6 sides is called a hexagon. So write it down. Second answer, hexagon with 6 sides. Third question. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This closed figure in question number 3 has 7 sides. Such a figure is called a heptagon. A heptagon has got 7 sides. So the third answer is heptagon, and in bracket you have to write how many sides? 7 sides. Question number 4. Let's count the sides of this closed figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and finally 8. So we got 8 sides altogether. Such a closed figure with 8 sides is called an octagon. A octagon is our answer for question number 4. It has got 8 sides. So this way you can see figure 1 represents a pentagon with 5 sides. Figure 2 is a hexagon with 6 sides. Figure 3 is a heptagon with 7 sides. And figure 4 is an octagon with 8 sides. With this, we have completed our practice set number 37. Do write the answers in your book. Stay safe, keep learning, and thank you.